To create a website in Dreamweaver, start by going to your Launchpad and opening the Dreamweaver application. When Dreamweaver has opened, go to the right-hand side panel and begin by setting up your project. Click on the Manage Sites button. When the Manage Sites box appears, click on New. Now we need to set up our website. In the first box, Site Name, give your website a name. I will choose My First Website. In the Local Site folder, we need to select the location to save our website project and all the files that we will be using. To do this, I've already set up a folder on my desktop called Design. Inside there, I have a website folder and an images folder. I can select this location by clicking on the grey Folders button. Now I can go to my desktop and select the area where I'd like to save my project. So I'll choose My Website folder and then click Choose. This will be the location where my website will be saved. Now you can see in the Site Name box I have the name of my project, My First Website, and the Local Site folder shows where I'm saving my project to Desktop, Design, My Website. When you've set this up, click Save. You can now see your project has been created in the Manage Sites box. Once you're finished, click Done. If we move back to the right-hand side Files panel, we can now select the blue arrow and choose from the different areas on our computer. I can see here there is already a project set up called My First Website. I can select this and I can see the folders, the site, My First Website, and the images folder inside. Right now there are no files, so the next step is to create some. To create web pages to make up your website, go to File, New, leave the selection blank, so page type will be HTML and layout will be none. These are already selected for you, so just click Create. Now go to File, Save, and we're going to save this web page in our project folder. I'm going to call this page Index because this is my first web page inside my website. Index is always the main page or the home page name. I've called my web page index.html and you can see it is saved in the My Website folder. When you're ready, click Save. We can now see Index has appeared in our project folder in the bottom right-hand corner. We can create more files by clicking File, New, leaving HTML and None selected, click Create, and then go to File, Save, and give the web page a name. I will call this one Page 2. Then click Save. You can now see I have Index and Page 2 in my project folder. I will create one last page by clicking File, New, Create, File, Save, and I will call this Page 3, and then click Save. I now have 3 pages in my website project folder: Index, Page 3 and Page 2.